What's up, guys? I just made a game which is super easy. It's a piece of cake. You can do that in 2 hours. Even a kid can do that. So if you want to learn how to do that, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and once I get 100 likes, I'll make a video where I'll show you step by step how to do that game, and I'll share a book which is one of the best books and will teach you how to make games, and I will give it for free, guys. So subscribe to my channel and let's see my game.
Getting rolled over like boats. Cause my fists are full of notes. I throw these songs in the streets of melodies like a heartbeat playing against piano keys. It's a breeze, 365 degrees. Turn around and you might catch these, so just freeze. A riddle with no clues. I'm a walking nightmare. Anywhere, anytime, boy, I don't fight fair. A day in my shoes is a day with no fear. So walk barefooted and save your whole year. And I'm wearing my piece cause I grit my teeth. So just bite your tongue before you get your ass. It's all fired up. Y'all better just wise up. Everybody getting sized up. I will fly.